Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling essentials and taking the first concrete steps. Gather your campaign notes, maps, NPC list, and any session recordings, then pick a single home for them. One digital folder and one physical binder work well. Once chosen, create a simple index, tags, numbered pages, or a timeline. Make the first entries now: title, date, location, and a one-line plot hook. This immediate organization prevents later chaos and gives you a structure you can expand on each session. You move into the detailed execution with focused structure. Build clear sections for world, NPC, quests, encounters, loot, and session recaps, and apply consistent templates so entries are predictable and fast to scan. Once done, cross-reference aggressively. Link NPCs to quests, maps to locations, and tags to session numbers. Make sure to log player choices and outcomes each session, because those decisions shape future planning. This middle work turns scattered ideas into a navigable system you can use at the table instantly. You complete the process by wrapping up and securing your work. After each session, update the index, resolve dangling plot threads, and note XP and loot distributions, then archive a snapshot before any big edits. Make sure backups are versioned and stored offsite so you can restore instantly if something goes wrong. If you discover missing pieces, rebuild the index from session recaps and player logs. That targeted reconstruction is faster than starting over and keeps the campaign moving without long delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.